Understanding Engine Overhaul, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating phrase, engine overhaul. This term is widely used in both mechanical and metaphorical contexts. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Stay tuned. Engine overhaul refers to the process of taking apart an engine, cleaning, repairing, or replacing the necessary parts, and then putting it back together. It's a thorough maintenance activity that ensures the engine operates efficiently. This term is often used in automotive, aviation, and industrial contexts. Unlike a simple repair, an overhaul involves examining and refurbishing almost all parts of an engine. Understanding the steps involved in an engine overhaul can help clarify its meaning. It typically involves 1. Disassembling the engine to its core components. 2. Inspecting each part for wear and damage. 3. Cleaning all the parts thoroughly. 4. Repairing or replacing any damaged components. 5. Reassembling the engine with the refurbished or new parts. 6. Testing the engine to ensure it runs smoothly. In a metaphorical sense, engine overhaul can describe making significant changes or improvements to any system, organization, or method. For instance, a company changing its management structure for better efficiency might be said to be undergoing an engine overhaul. This metaphorical use highlights the depth and comprehensiveness of the changes being made. To give you a clearer idea, here are some example sentences. The old tractor needed an engine overhaul to function again. After the engine overhaul, the car ran as if it was brand new. The university's curriculum is getting an engine overhaul to keep up with modern educational standards. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, engine overhaul. Whether it's about taking apart and rebuilding an engine or making sweeping changes in an organization, an engine overhaul signifies thorough and significant work. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to use this new phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.